have watched me break down a mango before in my racist rice pudding episode, so I don't need to close up on that.
Okay, you see it.
Alright, now can you mince it? Making a mango salsa. Because that's like fancier than tomato salsa.
It's because it's what I demanded.
Yep.
Well, here's your chopped.
Finely minced. Yay! That's a lot. So I was thinking mango, jalapeno, lime. What else do you think?
Definitely need onion.
Oh yeah, scallion. Do you think banana might work in this?
Yeah, it might.
Want to try it?
Up to you.
Let's try banana. I'm going for exotic and weird. My show doesn't have enough sex on it.
No.
Doesn't have any really. Actually, it's unintentionally been, for the most part, rather tame.
Yeah.
Like, I hardly ever have sworn on it. I think I've never sworn. No, I think once I said fuck a couple times, and then I bleeped it out and put a picture of Arnie over it. Ooh, cardamom might also be interesting in this salsa. Smells interesting. I'll taste a little. Ooh, oh, interesting, zingy. Too much jalapeno.
I like that.
I like it too. Shortage of mangoes here.
Piece of bamboo.
Bananas, melones. It's hot, hot summer love. This has bananas, mangoles. Yeah, it's a hot, hot salsa love. Next, I'm going to prep the components for the habanero mango ginger sauce thing for people like this guy who can handle it. Alright, so I'm thinking one mango, and then all the habanero you put in there, and then you said garlic and ginger. I was thinking a little lemon juice.
Sounds good.
So we'll do the juice of one lemon.
By the time it was over, I got to have my now cold food.
Now, how much garlic do you want? This huge clove?
Like on Friday, I start work at 10
p.m.?
Yep.
Have I worked with ginger on this show before? I think I have. I'm pretty sure I have.
Chopping broccoli.
See, this is what I was missing all along as a sous chef. I needed one of those. You have mango on your... Whenever you grate ginger, you always get this pile of ginger juice left over. Okay, let's puree this. Oh, just the smell of this is making me cough. Whoa, this is why I don't do habaneros. I'm gonna put this on the heat.
Yes.
My sous chef has chopped all these lovely things here for the fried rice. We have fresh bamboo shoots, mushroom, sugar snap peas, broccoli, and water chestnuts. We searched high and low for fresh ahi tuna steak and could not find any, not even at the amazing Korean market. So we got frozen. Compromise. Ugh, I got squirted in the eye with raw tuna juice.
I am experiencing what is called Schadenfreude right now.
Fuck you. With this season, we're also going to get more profane.
Oh.
We're going to say fuck sometimes if we feel like it. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Yeah. Then next season, you'll actually fuck sometimes if you feel it.
Yeah, it'll be the pornographic cooking show.
That isn't on YouTube yet.
It probably is. Well, it wouldn't be on YouTube because they take it down, but
yeah.
I'm sure somewhere, someplace, there's a pornographic cooking show.
I don't know.
And if there isn't, there needs to be.
Run around wearing nothing but an apron. I mean, they have the My Drunk Kitchen.
Yeah.
You know what would probably not do quite as well as My High?
My high kitchen. Just be like, no, they wouldn't do anything. They'd just be like,
They want to eat it all like right away. It's like, well...
No, they'd be eating the ingredients while
Exactly,
they're
that's what I did. It's like, I wanted to put these carrots in it, but I'm just going to eat it now.
This carrot looks
Hungry.
like my dad. That would be my shroom kitchen.
Yeah.
But my meth kitchen.
Woo.
Well, there they would actually just make meth.
Yeah. Scrambling me some eggs.
Or I should do a series, like maybe the 4th season. I make something, and then I film myself cleaning up the kitchen afterwards.
My dirty.
My dirty kitchen. Well, that sounds like the pornographic kitchen idea we had.
Yep.
My dirty kitchen.
So that's the thing. You could like do trailers and such that makes it look like it's gonna be pornographic, and then it turns out it's just you cleaning up the dirty kitchen.
Okay, I think we're actually ready to start frying the rice. Start with a non-stick pan on like high heat, you know, and oil, preferably a non-flavored kind. Habanero sauce is bubbling. Put in your stuff that takes longer to cook first. And I'm gonna get out a mighty spoon.
Don't forget that garlic.
I don't want it to burn. You'll laugh and laugh.
I got it in my eye.
There's your scallions.
Good.
My lord.
I'm used to making my fried rice in a wok.
But my wok isn't as big as your wok.
I do have a pretty massive wok.
Yes, you do. It barely fits in the cupboard. So I might as well talk to you while I'm stirring this. The trick to good fried rice is lack of moisture. This rice has been drying out, it's left over. Long grain's better than short. Either these vegetables are ready for the rice or I'm just being impatient. So I think I might add my rice now. Garlic as well. I think a little more oil. Make sure that the kernels of rice are all coated in oil. So I like to saute this for a while and let the rice really dry out and get crackly with the oil. So I keep doing this for a few minutes. Are you on my boobs again?
No.
Okay. See Sarah's boobs. That might be a popular show.
Yeah, I mean that I could certainly do.
Sorry, the dish is now no longer vegan.
I wish to consume the unborn.
Soy sauce. Make sure to cook it enough so it evaporates, and because raw soy sauce is kind of nasty.
This is giving my stomach an erection.
I think that might be a new catchphrase. I'm gonna set this aside on top of this other pan. Yup. And get another pan. This pan. This time I can use olive oil because we're going to be doing high heat cooking. Olive oil. Actually, that didn't make any sense at all. You don't want to use olive oil with high heat cooking.
No, you don't.
No olive oil. I was just testing you all.
Uh-huh.
Let's put in some canola oil. I use a lot because I don't want it to stick. I'm going to do that now.
A little bit goes a long way with sesame oil.
Here's our beautiful thawed, once frozen ahi. It should be a lovely pink color, but it's not. That's okay. Sea salt. See, listen to that sizzle. A little scallion made it in there. And behold, it's fusiony. Add some more adjectives for me.
Good.
Goody goodness. Okay, let's see how it tastes. I think it ended up actually getting cooked all the way through. God, man, this is frozen. Oh, it's still okay though. How's your really hot sauce?
I like the sauce.
You like the sauce?
I like the sauce.
You want me to try?
I like the sauce.
Bananas, melonas, yeah. It's a hot, hot summer love. Yeah.
You can make me do all those crazy things I never did.
It's a no-no, and you like it.
Darling, you're the one.
Okay, here's to a good third season.
Tutti frutti summer love.
When it's summertime and it's scorching outside, the best thing you can do to relieve yourself is to make a nice cold soup. I'm gonna make a dessert with these nice. They're called rambutans. They're kind of like lychees. I've never had them before. Let's see what they're like. I don't know.
Yeah, it's like lychee.
Yeah.